Okay, so I'm looking at this listing right here, and this listing right here is not that good. The rank is so um, basically. Sorry, so I got interrupted when doing this. Anyways, basically with this being the same shoe, we want to put this listing back on here, and I'll do that in a separate video. But basically what that means on this eBay listing is we are going to decline it and end the listing, well, and then we'll actually end the listing. So let me do that real quick, because if you don't know how to end the listing, you should know. So anyways, this is this right here. You don't even actually probably need to decline it, or whatever, because once you end this, it'll end the listing. So this is it right here, and now I have it saved as a favorite, and if you need this, let me know. eBay and my listing, and continue. Items no longer available, end it. So that's pretty much it, and then that's it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you. Like I said, I'm gonna do a separate video showing us how to merge that other listing back into the correct one. Thanks. Bye.